This Century 21 Armstrong Team Realty property video is presented by Mario Hernandez. Come take a look at this beautiful home located in an oversized corner lot, newly renovated and move-in ready with an open floor plan. New 42-inch kitchen cabinets to the ceiling and granite countertops. New laminated flooring throughout. Living/dining room combo that is open to the kitchen. The sliding door looks out to a private vinyl fenced yard and a view of Lake Louise. Newer roof and air conditioner, 2017. This property offers a large concrete slab for an RV, boat or trailer. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and an oversized 1-car garage. No HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Mario Hernandez at 386